everybody. So I wanted to show you this single fold tape maker on my industrial machine. Back here it sits on a little spool, and I'll show you. They do make like Lazy Susans. You can put that on, it'll come out, it'll dispense really easily. But right now what I do is I just set it up and I guide it and pull it along. But yeah, so this is that stay tape, and I found another roll. I didn't realize I had another roll in there, so that's great. So I got a roll for this machine, a roll for the other machine. Okay, so anyway, so it slips right in there, and then it folds over once, as you can see right here. Try to get there. Folds over, and then sews that seam. And you just move this back and forth this way to adjust it, and then I'll go in manually and I'll add another seam on the end here, and we'll iron it. So let me set this up and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, here I go. Miles and miles of strap. You know, that's how you work fast in the industry. Now this isn't even set for the fastest speed. I have this motor turned down. You can see, so this will get ironed. It'll get ironed flat, and then it'll get stitched, and it'll be the perfect strap. And this is not biased, this is straight tape. This is called, as I mentioned before in all my other videos, for all you people who skim through the videos and don't watch them all and don't listen, and you want to write and ask me all these questions that I've already answered in my videos. I don't respond to questions that I've already answered in my videos. So I will answer a question in this video again. This is called stay tape, and this is well known in the garment sewing industry. It's well known to people who make garments. So you can look up stay tape and see what it's all about. You can Google it, look for the information. Where do you buy it? You'll have to Google and look to see where. I bought this from a sewing store that went out of business many years back. So you just want to look. But I will tell you this though, with what's happening now with all the people making masks and everything, a lot of supplies are going to be very hard to find. And if you order anything from China, it's going to take forever to get. So you may have to just cut fabric yourself and sew it together and put it through a tube and turn it right side out. So, but yeah, I mean, I've been collecting for years. I've been buying supplies for years, and I have noticed watching online, everyone's frantically looking for stuff. People are asking, what is this? What is this? You could tell that embroiderers have never made garments before, and they're needing products like this that garment sewers have been using. And haven't I been preaching all these years for people to start making their own garments again? And people refuse to. All they want to do is quilt or embroider, and now they're frantically trying to find this stuff. Whereas, you know, whatever genre of sewing you do, you're going to have those supplies. Thank goodness I've always dipped in every genre of sewing with the sewing machine, and I've got supplies to make this stuff. So I was kind of like prepared. I bought toilet paper a long time ago, and a lot of people waited to the last minute. So yeah, I mean, if you're going to spend all this money on a sewing machine, diversify your genre of sewing. So if something ever comes up again, you'll have stuff to use. But yeah, those who know me that I've been talking about learn how to make garments. And I even said in some of my videos, why are you relying, if you have a sewing machine, but you're buying garments made by slave labor, a 10-year-old overseas, shame on you. Shame on you. Don't know how to make a garment, but some 10-year-old in Bangladesh does. All right, that's enough of my preaching. You know I got to preach in every video. You know, once upon a time, people made their own garments at home. Then all of a sudden, it was not vogue to make your own garments. It was homemade. People would think you were poor. Well, let me tell you something. God bless the person who's got the talent to make a garment. You watch Project Runway, what's it on? It's like 19th, 20th season or something. You see the garments those people make? Oh my gosh. Yeah, home sewers turning into professionals. Started out with a home sewing machine. Yeah, I think it's 20 or 22 seasons. What is it, 20 seasons that's on? So yeah, you're not, people are hiring people who make, have a private cottage industry to make garments for them, professionals and stuff that, you know, they're not sewers and other, but if you sew, and you're missing so many opportunities in your local area to make some extra money because you refuse to learn how to garment sew. Or you refuse to do anything but your quilt or your embroidery that you just push a button on. It's up to you. It's up to you. I can preach all day. And there it is, and then I've got miles and miles and miles of strap for my masks. Alright, so I hope you learned the lesson. I hope this helped you. And be prepared in the future, everybody. Be prepared. You've got to be prepared. We're living in a different world today. You've got to diversify your skills and your genre of sewing. You have to. You have to. Because you're going to find it's going to be very difficult to find things from overseas coming now. Very difficult. So you're going to have to really diversify yourself and be creative. Yeah, and if you have a sewing machine, be self-sufficient, more self-sufficient. If you don't have a sewing machine, get one. Teach your kids. All right, take care, everybody. Love you. Have a great day. Bye.